Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon everyone. Please let me know if the sound is okay. Sorry, sorry for the little delay. My kids just got home from the school and some of you, it's a brand new school, brand new language, brand new everything for them. So I had to just, to listen to their fantastic stories. So it was a lot. So sorry for that, but I am here for you. I hope you had a fantastic trading day yesterday. And this is the second trading day of the week, and we are getting close, guys. So excited. I think I'm not alone for the Fed rate decision, which I don't know why I'm so excited, because actually 97% that there will be a rate cut. However, the question how big the rate cut is going to be, as I've told you, some of the analysts, they are staying on the 0.25, but some of them, not that many, are going for the half point rate cut. Let's see who is right on that. Hi, Steve C. Nice to see you. Brian, Tara. Buenas tardes to you. Or it's still Diaz? It's still Diaz. Okay. Hi, Sharko. Hi, Nitsan. Bounce Diaz. Yeah, definitely the market is bouncing. Hola. Hi, Andy. Nice to see you. And of course, the team, Clifton, Scott, DVG, welcome, welcome. Today it's Tuesday, so Amir is going to join me soon. But till that point, let's see what's happening on the market. I would not say it's a huge surprise that we are getting up. However, I don't know when I've seen the market to pull back in pre-market from the new all-time highs, but this is happening now. The SPY is still green. Triple Q is in green as well, but the market is starting to be more than stretched. I think that's quite of clear for everyone and obvious. But let's see how much more the fearless, relentless bull market is going. Hi Lee, good morning to you. Zuri, nice to see you. Powell party to close now. Well, let's see. Tara. I'm very much interested what's going to happen on this market. Actually, as you can see, it's an insane run, like just a breakout after breakout after breakout. And actually, we make that. It was not even a healthy pullback since the beginning of April. You see, it was 2-3 days of red candles and immediately by the dip approach. And this is not even by the dip approach anymore. I would say that this is like just buy everything what looks like it's a small sell, like a small 1 minute red candle. Just buy it immediately. That's insane actually. But this is what we have. SPY again, as you can see, is just approached a new all-time high. However, it's pulling back today from the highs, which it's quite unusual in the recent days. So let's see how it's going to continue indeed. But as I've told you, both the triple Q and the SPY are still in green in the pre-market. Futures too. Apple is in green. On the red side, I see Humana, UPS, PLTR, JP Morgan Dow, NVIDIA again, WMT, Chinese. The China is just accused NVIDIA. They just breached some contract or rules or something like that. So we should be careful with NVIDIA today. But most of the big players are in green. Hi Clifton, nice to see you. Okay, traders. So what else in the headline? Yesterday, we have witnessed a quite of a serious breakout, which still seems like it continues because of the China and US trade talks. It just got a great improvement, not even mentioning the not Reddit, what it is, TikTok deal. Yeah. So this is definitely a quite of a good news for the market. It's still keeping the market up. And in the meantime, we had some economic news, like for example, retail sales that was quite strong for the third month in a row. Economy still seems to be in pretty good shape. That can be a little bit like, let's call it concerning news for the market, because might the Fed is going to reconsider his rate cut, but I don't think so. I think there will be a rate cut, no question. Jerome Powell could have stopped the attacks on the Fed months ago, and he still can. Well, let's see what's going to happen, especially what's going to be the message tomorrow. This is what I am interested in, definitely. Trump administration orders Delta to unwind joint venture with Mexico. Okay, Trump revised quote to ditch quarterly earnings reports. I don't know if you heard about that, but Trump just proposed that the companies should not, release the earnings quarterly just on a half-year basis. This is going to be decided next year, traders, because some of the market participants, they do like this idea. Well, let's see what's going to happen. In the meantime, as I mentioned, you S&P Nasdaq aim for record highs with Dow steady as retail sales outpace forecasts and the Fed gathers in Washington already. So let's just the party begin. Let's just go quickly to the international news. So as I've told you, quite good news from the economic side. Pharma firms in the news in the UK, as I see. Nikkei just reached a new all-time high. I think you've seen it. If not, I'm just telling you. European markets, though they edged lower as the trader assesses the US-China talks, so European markets were not the strongest indeed. Trump just sued New York Times for $15 billion, alleging defamation and libel. Indeed, Best and TikTok deal framework reached with China. Trump and Xi will finalize it Friday, so might we will get a little bit more news about these three talks and especially the TikTok on Friday. Okay, we know that Trump cannot fire Fed's Lisa Cook before FOMC meeting. That's definitely a deal now, so he could not make it. And I'm going to watch CoreWeave today, guys, because we have seen it yesterday for a nice rally. However, it rallied because on a disclosure of a $6.3 billion order from the NVDA. So my CRWV is still going to be the runner for us. Hi, AA. Nice to see you. Yes, Amir is going to join us soon, guys. All right. So we have some big movers. If you have anything on the list, please just let me know. Hi, Dan. Good morning to you. So on the list we have today Tesla again, Oracle, which jumped 5% actually. CBS News reported, citing sources, that Oracle is among the consortium firms of firms that would enable TikTok to continue operations in the United States if a framework deal is finalized between the US and China. So seems like Oracle huge push is still on the way. It's pushing even higher. It looks like as a reversal on the daily chart. For me, it's a bit extended, but as everyone is quite pushy on that stock and it's up 3%. Let's just put it on the long list. Scott's list is out already. He went for Dan, Oracle, NVO, CMG, RCB to the long side and a bit more to the short side. Let me just check Oracle to the long side first. Short and secondary. I have two secondary. I'm definitely going to watch CRWV as I mentioned you because of the yesterday news. Dave and Buster's Entertainment is here as well. This is Play, which is down at the moment a lot actually because of the earnings. So I'm just going to put it to the short side. However, almost 20% down. That's a huge deal. Let me just check the daily chart first. So Play is down now, as you can see, and seems like there is more to go. And volume, it's quite okay, almost 20%. That's crazy indeed. Novo Nordisk 3% higher. It's experimental once weekly weight loss drug. The I cannot pronounce it. Monotherapy injection helped patients reduce their weight by 11.8% after 68 weeks. Wow, that's a good one. So let's just put NVO to the long list. Chipotle is here as well. CMG 2% after it's authorizing an additional $500 million for share repurchases. So that means that my CMG can be a nice mover to the upside. Let me just check it quickly on the daily chart first. That looks like a very extended to the downside on CMG. Might just the time for seeing a small pullback there. Let's see whether this is going to be the day for it. I'm just going to add to the long list. At Tron, 8% lower ADTN. This is a fiber networking and telecommunication company, announced a $150 million convertible senior notes offering ADTN. It can go to the short list. However, this is a stock which might. It's not having enough volume, so let's be careful with this one. Rocket Lab is here as well, RKLB, and it's done because the firm announced plans to sell up to 500 million worth of common stocks. That's interesting. So RKLB, which was quite of a interesting mover in this year, actually, and mainly to the upside, might this is the time for some profit taking on RKLB. Oscar Health, Dennis, and ArcBest is still here. OSCR 5% lower because, again, convertible senior subordinated notes in a private offering of 355 million worth. That's a huge number. Let's see whether this stock, which I think I've never traded, but as I see Scott called it on his shortlist as well, I'm not sure if it's tradable by the TEFS because you know that TEFS trying to defend their traders, but it is, think that's good, because if it is a lower price or a lower volume stock, it can be problematic, but this is actually quite of a high volume stock on OSCR, and we can just put it to the long or a short side. Then it is here as well, then 4% higher after investor GCP Investment Management and Jumana Capital find an initial 9.4% stake to engage in discussions with Denny's management. Nicely done then. Let's see whether it's enough to push it higher. Let me just check the pre-market. Oh, it's not tradable, which I can cure hopefully. I'm just going to let my colleagues know to do the steps here because I am really interested in that lower price stock actually and lower capital stock. Okay, here we are. So then to the long list. And the last one is ARCB, which is up a bit because, again, a repurchase program, and this is not open indeed as well because it's the volume, it's lower, unfortunately. But if you can trade it, I'm just going to put it to the long side. And what else on the big movers here? Well, as I've told you, we have some, especially coin, which is quite strong in the pre-market traders. Coin is up 2% at the moment and still stretching. I'm going to watch it on my secondary list, COIN. Or Eldera, good morning. Oh, Martin, so nice to see you. Welcome back. Oh, reach out to me, please, after the stream. Let's see how you are doing. I'm very happy to see you here. Okay, in the meantime, Ralph Lauren, wow, that's a drop. How could I miss that? You see, guys, this is the fantastic thing in our test trading, YouTube trading, and definitely the 44 training room as well. The community, I don't know how I missed RL, but that actually looks like as a fantastic short opportunity. However, I'm not very happy with the pre-market volume, but looks like really, really interesting to the short side. Ralph Lauren is just pushing down 3% in the pre-market. Google, yeah, Google, it's a beast. Google, it's a beast, Darren. I completely agree with you. Google, Amazon, Tesla, definitely on my list. I'm not even going to, push them to the list because we know we need to watch them. And on the weekends, by the way, I see Humana, UPS, TPITR, and NVDA, which I'm going to watch too. On the strongest, as I mentioned, you coin, Roblox again. That's crazy. SoundHound, BBAI, AVGO, Reddit, Amazon, as I mentioned, you Google, Baba, AFRM, Meta are quite green too, but the strongest ones I just mentioned. So here is my list for today, traders. I just wish you a beautiful green day with Scott and DVG, 44 room traders, VIP room traders, and of course, I'm going to see you tomorrow. As always, tomorrow it's a big day, guys. Don't forget, because this is definitely marked in the calendar of everyday trader. Fed is coming, Powell is coming, outcome is quite sure, but the impact not yet. So see you everyone tomorrow and have a nice green day. Bye. Okay, YouTube traders, Amir is ready for you. I'm just going to get him in the YouTube room. Just a second. All right. Hi, Amir. I'm just going to get you to the guys. Just a second. I hope you're doing great. Good morning to you. Just get you in a second. How was your week so far? Only one trading day, but it's okay. Good. Yeah, we had four winners yesterday, actually. Oh, I'm not actually. It sounded surprise. Okay, I'm not surprised. I will be more surprised on four losers in a row. Ninja Billy Green, very good. Okay, Amir, you are in. Please just greet the
Okay.
guys.
Oh,
Hopefully they can hear you.
hi guys, sound check. Which stock did you trade, Agi, yesterday?
Wait, I'm just going to check it. My memory is not the best anymore. I'll tell you. So today is 15th. Okay, AVGO, Hood, MSTR, WBD, CRWV, but I had some from, okay, my biggest winner, it was actually WBD because I just kept some from last Friday, actually, but we had some great trades indeed yesterday,
Wow.
definitely CRWV and the rest.
What a
Oracle.
what a daily. Good daily. What?
Yeah.
Never trade that stock.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
just hyped up, because of the TikTok now.
Yeah, this is why Oracle is my main. There is talking about the buying TikTok, whatever.
Yeah.
Definitely Oracle, Tesla SMR, RKLB. I have other stocks, but yeah, that's for the start. I think it's enough, and that's for me. Pretty short. Yeah.
Okay. Any small cap for today?
I told you I'm in rehabilitation from small cap. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
I'm in rehabilitation mode. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All
I
right.
don't want. I don't. If I see when we're gonna in certain time during the day, definitely I'm gonna watch them. But enough with the trading them. Few hours before market open. It's profitable, but it's in a nice English, it's fucked your mind. So it's not good. Not good.
Okay, so we should be careful with that, definitely.
Not careful. Everybody should do whatever he like. Depend. And I have to tell you, there's a special for those guys that wake up 4 a.m. every day. I was watching just today, just at the beginning, to see every day there is a one stock, that can do from 5 to 20, something like
Mm.
this, like in, yeah. So
Yeah,
it's
we,
happening
we we
every
can
day.
find that every day, that's for sure, especially
It's,
nowadays.
I don't know, the last 2 weeks, every day you have like it's around a little bit above 4 a.m. and you have a big. Now it's difficult to trade that one. You need to lower your shares, but jeez.
Yeah.
Uh, that
Mm.
stock today, there was a stock that did like almost 400%. So,
So crazy.
yeah. Today we
Okay.
talk about the big guys. Yeah. The
Yep.
Tesla, the Oracle, the SMR. We're going to see. Yeah.
What do you think? What's going to happen tomorrow on the Fed rate cut, or after the Fed rate cut, especially?
I don't know. I told you there is a special strategy for that with the basket order.
Oh yeah.
You take the regular stocks, really. It's not a rocket science.
Mm.
Tesla, AMD, Microsoft, the levels, you prepare orders. If it's going like, you have to learn if it's going above expectation, whatever. If it's meaning long, push the button,
Yeah.
as you see something. And if no, make it short. People are doing this every announcement, every announcement. This
Yeah.
is why you see the big balls. Some of them, the big guys, they have a quote. They pay thousands of dollars a month to get the quotes like in a blink of a second. So then they can react really fast. I
Yeah.
know that I have a student that he has an algo in Germany, whatever. They pay thousands of dollars for this.
I
thousands
know.
for a month. Yeah,
Yeah, I
they
heard
put
about this. Mm.
and they put a big computer next to the stock market area, and the issue is to be the faster.
Yes,
If
for that you
if
need a
some
very good VPN close to the servers
yeah, yeah, yeah.
of the market and so on. So it's
If
I
they
know
are not
about that.
if they are not too strong, too fast, they can see the other algo eating them. Really.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay. So let's
can be a
leave the
bit
algo. Let's
complicated.
talk about the people. What's going on, guys? Which stock do you have today? The guys from Texas, the guys from Florida. Let's see the difference. The guys from Texas
And from
probably gonna
everywhere
have,
of the world.
yeah, gonna have a big meat stocks. Correct, John? The
Hmm.
guys from Florida will have a light one, because of the sun and everything.
And the guys
The
from US
guys, the
and from
guys from
Europe
Israel,
and from Spain
from
and from
Spain.
everywhere.
This is this is different attitude. We don't have the attitude of the US, believe me. Which sometimes you can learn. It's good. It's good attitude.
Okay, going to be open soon.
I'm gonna bring my coffee.
Okay, after you, it's going to be my turn. Oh, Scott is shorting RKLB, 51.50. He just get it there. I see. So I'm wondering whether we are just going to push for new all-time highs every hour, or it's going to be a little bit like less relentless buying today, guys. Oh, nice, John. You're watching KLAR, Clar, Oracle, and RKLB. Yeah, Oracle, RKLB, it's on my list too, definitely. And really, I'm really interested in this market, what's going to happen today. Like it's just pushing relentlessly higher. By the way, regarding the economic news, guys, 9:15, we got more, and 10 o'clock, we got some more news as well. Let me just check them immediately. What are these? So 9:15 industrial production, which was better than expected, and 10 o'clock business inventories and NAHB housing market index going to be released too. So far, so good on the numbers. And the market is not very happy about that because it can mean a little danger for a rate cut, which seems like it's a done deal anyway. So I don't think so. There will be any
Agi, I
big
saw
surprise.
yesterday a movie about it's good that you didn't went to Spain like 20 years ago. Yeah, I saw in
20.
Netflix. Yeah, I saw in
Oh,
Netflix good movie, The Carrier. All kind of the corruption that was in Spain. And it's a good movie based on true stories, and the situation wasn't the best there. Especially,
oh, really?
some guys did a lot of money. All kind of
Ah,
corruptions and stuff like this. But yeah,
wow.
now
Okay,
everything is
we will
wonderful,
see.
Aggie. For you, everything is
I
wonderful.
know. And believe
Everything.
me, in Hungary, corruption is not a
I know, I know, I
not a
know. I
big
didn't talk about
surprise,
it.
I would
Yeah,
say. As you
probably
know, our
yes.
fantastic leader and two more or three more
No, no. I
people who
think you
are
did the
owning
best.
everything.
Compare Hungary to
No, in
Spain,
Hungary now
definitely.
it's a really big rebellion, by the way. It's just people
No,
just
you're pretty
starting to
good.
get enough from that.
Maybe after that you're gonna go to Tuscany. I don't know. You get the sense of moving. So
Who
maybe.
knows? Who knows?
Yeah, yeah. Who
But for
knows?
us
Yeah,
here, it's fantastic.
you're now the free world citizen. You can go wherever you want.
Yeah,
So it's nice.
that's for sure. I don't know. I never cared about politics, like I don't care. You can manage your own life. You have to. Like government are not going to
I
manage
don't
your
care. I
life,
don't listen
definitely.
to I don't listen to news everything. But the place where I'm living, even when I don't want to hear, I hear. So
Yeah. Yeah,
everything is
that's for sure. That's
yeah.
for sure. Okay, guys. Yeah, definitely. Let's just manage or finances here. I think it's much better than
Guys, I'm going to
to
watch
wait
also
for the
open.
government.
Open. And both ways. Yeah. If you remember, our last trade on Thursday was open. We
Yes,
did pretty good
yeah,
job. And I don't know. I start to see lower high, 980, 9 something. I have to watch it. Definitely, I want
yeah,
to
we
watch
should
it.
we should watch it because maybe there will be one more insane run, like a last run on the market. Triple Q is still up 0.16 traders, but it's a bit pulling back from the all-time highs which just created in the pre-market. SPY still green as well, 0.08. And let's just be aware of the 10 o'clock news. I don't know whether it's going to mean anything, but good luck, everyone. We just opened. Okay, we'll be back in a second.
Okay, we start with the run. Wow, what a surprise.
Okay, we are pulling back a little bit, not too much though. Circle, Alex, it's not on my list, but let's see. Triple Q red candle? What? What is happening?
Okay, relax. It's a fake. It's a fake,
I know
Agi.
it is. It's just going to go back in 1 second,
They,
right?
they, they want to cause you to be hysteric. And yeah, so relax.
Okay, Tara watching Oklo. That can be a crazy mover as well. Tesla Hood. Yes, Humble Ninja. Circle is really strong. OKLO checking. OKLO. Nice pullback. What a crazy day yesterday on an OKLO. Did you trade it, Amir?
Okay,
Oklo?
hello? No, no.
Huh?
Yesterday was Tesla, Oracle, and there was a small cap. I can't remember his name.
Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah, BBI is just running like crazy. Looks good. Google. CRWV starting to be stronger as well. I'm watching AMD down, NVIDIA down, NVO pushing back. Tesla. Okay. mRNA, it's quite strong too. Hood looking strong as well. Okay, Spine's pushing back already to the highs.
Watching SMR, I'm trying to see. Right now, the trigger for me is the low, 37.90. Right now, 40 cent stop. I'm still watching it. I don't want to be. I'm gonna write you the trigger on the low, 40 cent stop. Yeah. We still have a lot of down there from the pre-market, so
Hmm.
I'm still watching Oracle. Seeing you pin.
Triple P is breaking the lows, guys. And I think I'm going to watch AVG under 361, just a half share size because the stop loss is quite insane. But I like the rejection on the stock actually. NVIDIA is dropping too. Play, not a big mover unfortunately. I'm not going to be surprised if some big boys are starting to cash out a bit.
Open, I want to short it 930, 20 cents stop. If it's break the 50, vanish.
Which one? Open?
Open, yeah.
Hmm?
I want to see the big. It started. It hit
Yeah.
exactly the 980. Yesterday there
Yeah.
was the 980. 980 is a crucial area there. SMR, not relevant. Yeah. Somebody heard us. Maybe we have a spy in the room.
OSCR, Jeremy, checking. Looks like a nice gap and go on the OSCR.
Open, guys. Under 930.
Oh, you're shorting it.
I want to short it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And SMR,
Yeah.
right? I just put them on
Yeah,
the.
I'm watching the ask. I think I
Mm-hmm.
saw that it broke like 927. I didn't see something on the ask. Now if it's break, definitely.
Okay.
Okay, 931. Boom, in. Okay, that's need to work immediately. Not. Um,
Fed meeting just begun, by the way. Hood and CMG are strong, so days I'm watching CRWE as well, but this is just, wow, it's a beast. If we are going to make a turn around here. Okay, DENN is open, guys. OSCR, beautiful call, Jeremy. DENN, it's open from the news. Well, it's not moving too much, fortunately. Okay, SPY triple P on the lows doesn't mean too much, and CMG is approaching the highs now. High of the day looks like as a fantastic opportunity for a breakout. Ah, no, I don't like the Oracle breaking out. You kidding me? My goodness. Okay. Volume, it's not my favorite on the CMG though. Open looks great, Amir. I think I'm going
shh.
to
I
join
don't want
you.
to interrupt it. I don't want.
It was me, not you. Don't worry.
I'm worried. I'm worried.
Okay, here comes my AVGO, guys, soon. And the market is pushing lower, which I must tell you is just on time.
I forgot. I was talking. I got in. Sorry, but I forgot to. RKLB. I'm watching too many.
Oh, yeah,
Oracle. Oracle. Yeah. Oracle.
it's so sunny here in Spain that I cannot see one of my chart because it's so much light. And there is RKLB, but yeah, it was a nice reversal there. Sure.
Okay, guys, open. We have the 9. 9 is a problem, probably. We have to see. Um, we have 9 just because it's around, and then 875, and then we can sing the free falling, hopefully. But
Hmm.
yeah, definitely we need the 9 first. Oh, okay. Too many candidates,
Yeah.
really fast, really fast, really.
Hood is still strong, which I'm watching, by the way. NVO is down. NVIDIA trying to bounce. SPY is breaking the lows, guys.
Guys, another stock I forgot to mention is Play, Play. It was on my second list, but it looks really good. I forgot to write myself some information, so give me a second. Usually I collect some information about the stocks. 125, 1. Okay. Play under 20. Oh, stop is too big. What's the low? Oh no, it's fine. Okay. Want to short it under 20 with 40 cent stop. Maybe that stock will need few attempts. Play under 20, 40 cent stop. Okay, open. Of course, open if it's coming few cents above the entry, I'm gonna reduce, but it looks good. We got 905. I still see the pressure. I didn't take any partial. I want to see the 9. Okay. Oh, go, 9.
Nice.
If it's breaking immediately bounce, I'm gonna take a partial. It's not gonna be exactly what I like to, but I think everybody's watching that stock, and you see the very big volume there.
I'm shorting JP Morgan in the meantime, guys.
Yeah, I was just watching today the charts of JP Morgan. Amazing to be a banker, huh, Aggie? Wow,
Yeah,
that stock, amazing. Wow, 300, no, something like this, if I remember. Well,
crazy.
just yeah, it's good
It's
to
not
be a banker in
extended.
Wall Street. Yeah,
It's super duper extended, I think.
yeah. Okay, play is not ready yet. I don't mind. You can play. Um, open, open door.
Jumia iTech. I have not heard this name for a while. This is a small tech stock, I know. It's not open for TEFS, unfortunately, but that can be a quite of a big runner, indeed. Okay, traders, let's see what's going to happen if TQQQ breaking the 99.20. I'm still waiting for AVGO. It doesn't look like it wants to go down. Oracle strong. JP
Yeah, I
Morgan,
missed.
nothing yet.
I
Yeah,
missed Oracle. I missed it.
still looks like it's a breakout. SPY is pushing down. Let's just fill the gap. Maybe now on 660 we can see a small pullback. Let's see whether this is still going to be like the buy the dip behavior. Okay, 10 o'clock we will get some little news. Not too much though. Nothing very interesting. AMD I'm still watching too.
I want to buy here Tesla half position 413.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, stop going to be the low of the day. Definitely, I mark myself. We needed to buy it like 412.50, but this is why I'm buying half position. That's a good area from the pre-market. So I'm half position Tesla, probably above 414. I'm gonna add more.
Oracle just broke.
And it's a miss. It's really a miss. I was watching
Uh,
something else.
Hood not anymore on my list. It's just pushing
Guys, I
down.
didn't watch also. Yeah, too many miss. SMR actually it broke the
Oh, I
stop up
thought you
and
are
then
in.
came. No, no, no,
Oh,
no. It was earlier. There was the trigger 3790, but then it broke the stop. Went up. I had to watch it because it was the same trigger, almost the same stop. Yeah,
I see.
that's a problem, guys. I'm watching too many stocks. It's not good. No, really, it's not good. You know,
You got
you'll jump
distracted. Yeah, I
in.
know. I know.
Yeah, and most of them are really bigger stock. You know, the Tesla, the Oracle. Um, okay, focus, Amir. Focus. Okay.
Okay, I'm still holding my short position on JP Morgan. I mean, I'm not in yet, so far no trades. And let's see whether the SPY is bear flagging, but the triple Q is still showing some strengths. Like NVIDIA trying to reverse AMD 2. Thank you, John. Yeah, and the 320, I guess it can be quite of a stronger resistance for the Oracle, but looks quite heavy.
Yeah, we had to take it earlier, John. Yeah, I
Mm,
know it was the high, definitely. Around the 15, that was the area.
okay.
Something happened in UNH, guys. And nothing to do right now, but definitely we need to watch it. Um, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy play under 2050 half position, 25-cent stop, and definitely if it's gonna break the 20, yeah, the 20, I'm gonna add more, but I want to start buying it. So under 2050 half position. Tesla, guys, add for 14.
Okay. SPY is breaking down. JP Morgan almost in. I'm in TQQQ as well, traders. So TQQQ is in. I want to see 20 cents first. I'm not greedy, like this buy the dip is still can happen, actually. Like 15, 20 cents I want to see. And JP Morgan is in too. Wow, JP Morgan looks nice. Okay. On JP Morgan, let's go for 307 for a partial.
Where was your entry, Agi?
JP Morgan,
Yeah, well,
30820.
C0820. Okay.
CRW is back. Market is fighting hard, as I see here.
Okay, Tesla, guys. We have a little bit more than 2 points, which is good. High of the day, 17th. So we have to see if we're going to break it nicely. I'm not going to take immediately partial. We have pretty good 421 from yesterday and from the pre-market.
Ooh, bulls are fighting hard. Look at that.
Which one?
The bulls are fighting hard.
They have horns, Aggie.
Yeah.
The bears have his, teeth and whatever. The bulls have horns. Tesla. Yeah, I said, son. Tesla was 412 and then 413 and then add 414. Yeah.
Oh, come on, JP Morgan.
There is a small cap, but I think it's already started, but definitely he has a good name. We just can't ignore it. Turb. TURB. And really it's
Yeah,
a
someone
turbo.
asked this already.
Really? Yeah. Yeah, it's a good, wow. Again, it's 192, but you remember the last one that we traded? It was like 180, and we finished it with 400. So what I would like to see if I can get some pullback towards a little bit above 7, whatever. Yeah, so I have advantage. Um, we're gonna be late bloomers, but it doesn't mean that we're not gonna bloom in the turbo. But that, now okay. Instead of getting to 7, it's gonna go to 9. Okay. I'm watching play, guys. Under 2050. Have position.
JP Morgan, come on, leave me alone. Look at this beast. Going to be out over 310 traders. SOFI and Marvel. Checking. SOFI. It can be a quite of a good mover. Ooh, it's just dumping now. I think maybe a small profit taking there now.
Yeah, look at the monthly of SoFi. I was watching that
Yeah.
stock in the pre-market. Beautiful U. Really. Like that stock did amazing. Guys, play
Mm.
under 2050 have position. Open. Definitely we have the good view. Uphold it. High of that pullback was 927. So we have full position still.
Ooh, ouch. That was a big dump. Okay, guys, I'm ready to take a partial on the TQQQ. I don't know what was that ugly candle, but let's just make our 15 cents as I've told you. Wow, that was nasty. I think it's just a shakeout, so hurry up, I
Shake
would
up.
say. Yeah.
From what? From the TQQQ?
From the overall market, it's 99 now. Guys, here it is, 99, 20 cents. Very good. I'm ready to take a partial there.
Guys, open. Sorry, play. Open and play. Let's play and open. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
I'm just taking my partial now on TQQQ, bit more than 20 cents. Good. Took. And I'm going to move my stop loss over the entry. And seems like that this is not going to shake out. Oh no.
Go 20, under 20, add in play. I even add in open. I
Mm-hmm.
really have good feeling about my stop in open right now is 935. So
Yeah.
basically 5 cents. So I add much more, but then my stop was pretty small. Now, if it's not going to break the 9, I'm going to take a partial. Play looks really good. I'm going to add a lot under 20. I want to see the next candle. And Oracle, I'm watching. Oh, again, I missed it, Amir. What's going on? Okay, above 317, I want to
Uh,
get Oracle. Problem is my stop. What's the ATR? Oracle. Wow. Wow. No, I'm going to
hmm.
wait. Teslas. Beautiful. 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 Okay. So guys, Tesla, we are getting towards, we have 3 points. I want to see if we can break the 417. If not, nice partial.
Okay. Traders, near to 307. I want my first partial on the JP Morgan. Seems like there was a small sell-off, but I still do not trust this overall market, I must tell you. Indeed. Interesting.
Okay, guys, Tesla. Thank you very much. Then give it. Let it go. Let it go. 417, 417, 4 points. Up. You can do it. That's a beautiful ball. That's an amazing ball. I'm just trailing it like with 20, 30 cents. I want to see. Okay, we finished this 2 minutes. Let's see. High 417.75. I want to see if we can do it.
It's so typical for the Tesla, Amir. You just
Yeah.
don't care about the whole market, actually.
This is why it was the candidate. Again, I knew exactly that I need to focus
I
the mega
know.
one. Yeah.
Good.
I didn't take any partial under 417 because I see that bar and that's a beautiful 1 million bars. Okay, good, 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 good. Up, 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 up. 417. Let's see if we can get the 418. We almost got. Okay, I took a partial. Okay.
Nice. Okay, traders, here comes the GP Morgan. My stop loss on TQQQ 99.25. And on GP Morgan, I want to take a partial around this 307. As I've told you, the usual 75% out, stop loss over the entry. And here we go,
Oh,
finally.
God. Oracle, I'm gonna buy 316. Stop gonna be $1.
Mhm.
Yeah, Oracle. Open 904. Okay, let's see. There is definitely a big struggle around the 9. Again, open looking good.
Yeah.
Sorry, play. I don't know why I call open play. I'm calling open and open. I call it play. I don't know. Okay, Oracle not relevant. Just broke the stop, so it's not relevant.
Wow, Tesla, it's a beast. Oh, come on, GP Morgan. I, it just reminds me why I don't like this stock, actually. It's crazy moves.
Play working beautiful against us. So I'm half position 2080. I'm out. Got a really good bounce from the view up, which is okay. Still there, half position and open. I had to throw an order and I forgot. Got to 901. That's a stupid mistake, but now I'm not gonna let it.
Apple, John. It's
Wow!
just crazy.
Suddenly
Wow.
I see
Okay.
it. Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Hmm. GP Morgan, unfortunately, it's back to the entry. Hmm. NVDA broke the lows, but this Apple, it makes me nervous on the triple Q or the TQQQ call, guys. So let's be careful there. However, the overall market shows some weakness, at least at the moment. Let's see. Oh, sorry guys, I just muted my microphone on
Um,
accident.
yeah, so play right now we are not so much playing. I'm half position and yeah, nothing.
I'm still holding my TQQQ, still holding my JP Morgan full share size, and I'm still okay with AVGO. But this Apple is just wow. That's a beast. Look at that. Yeah, let's hope party under 20, like after, well, let's see. I think the big party is
Yeah,
coming
do
tomorrow.
yeah.
Zuri.
Yeah, do. No, he's talking about play. Under
Oh,
20
play.
we are
Okay.
heading, yeah, Aggie. Aggie,
Okay.
we have a stock named play. We want to start playing, you know. Our
Yeah,
play is
yeah.
short.
Understandable.
Yeah,
Definitely.
we're gonna
Sure.
wear a red shirt and we're gonna short it. Yeah. Right now, it's the view up. That's if we're gonna break the view up, that's gonna be amazing.
Mm.
Even though I didn't, there isn't play. Forgot what I saw because I didn't write it. Give me a second. Yeah, towards 18% shorts, which is okay.
Okay. Buzak, nice to see you. JP Morgan, I already get it under 308.30, so I am in, and I really hope it's going to break 307. But now as the Apple is pushing like crazy again, and Tesla too, and Nvidia made a double bottom again, I think might we should just divert or focus unless the SPY is not going to break this bear flag
Yeah,
and news are out, by the way.
we need to break the 18. All the time we are almost
Yeah.
okay, guys. We didn't break 18. We punch it like 50 cents. Really good.
Good.
Okay, 420 is the next area I want to take a partial, guys.
No.
Play, guys. Zuri, prepare the drums. Under 20, we're gonna put Tom Petty, free falling, and hopefully it's gonna happen. Yeah, it's a good trigger there. Hopefully it's not gonna be surprises.
AVGO still looks good, traders. If you are interested, I still keep my shorts here and waiting for this market to make a decision on this bear flag situation, especially on the SPY. Might I'm going to add to TQQQ under 98.80.
Guys, Tesla. 6 point, guys. 6 points. Again, 420
Beautiful.
is the next area. Yeah, that's a really beautiful. I was watching RKLB, but I wanted to maybe short it again. Not again, I miss it. For me, it's not a good risk reward, but it's a good formation. Maybe
Hmm.
if we're gonna have a smaller stop. Again, guys, Tesla, if it's punching 420, I'm not gonna take immediately partial. Just an expression, you know. You always need to put yourself targets, and if it get to them pretty fast, whatever, we can adjust. Zuri, if Tesla doesn't care, we don't care. Yeah, we're in the land of Tesla. Today it's really good. Yeah. A lot of people are hesitate to trade it, because of the size, and then, but again, according to the stop, you can size it. But for the guys that want smaller Tesla, you have the TSLL, so it's actually
Yeah,
follow it. So if you want to do it, you just follow it. Smaller stops. Actually, it can fit you. So look at Turbo Agi, and I so
I
stupid.
know.
I saw an order 806.
Oh,
You got to
really?
8. You got to 810, and then now
Oh,
it's
wow.
11. That's You see, that's the words of the small cap. It can drive you nuts with those kind of
Yeah,
mean mover, huh? three
crazy.
points, yeah, 3 point like in a second, and
Yeah. Okay. So far, market is trying hard to maintain a support here and make a reversal. Let's see. Still holding my TQQQ, but it's going to be out 99.25. And I think JP Morgan is going to be out over the entry traders. I'm not going to give any more chance, especially if the bulls are going to bite back here, which is, yeah, I know it's on. It's crazy. It's bull flagging now. Very strong. Apple, it's really strong today. And that's my problem with the TQQQ trade. Never saw such a straight line. But look at the market. It's just crazy.
play, guys. Get in again. Even if you didn't get 2050, let's see if you get 20. Yeah, you need like a 40 cent stop at least. Yeah.
Mm. Spite's a little bit slow today, I would say, but it's understandable. Everyone is waiting for tomorrow, no doubt. No, play it slow too. Okay, TQQQ is in danger, and JP Morgan too. Things can
Did
just
you
change.
reduce? Did you reduce your TQQQ or not?
Yeah, I had already the 75% off, and now it's going to be out over like somewhere here. Yeah, exactly, it's
Mm.
out. And unfortunately, seems like JP Morgan is just making the reversal traders. 3-0, okay, I'm out. Out everything. JP Morgan was a very small loser. TQQQ winner. Green day so far, but market is still quite strong, so be careful with the shorts. Tesla. Tesla still looks good over 420, actually. Actually, Amir, I was expecting a slower day like that. Indeed.
You always come with expectation, Aggie. I come
I
with
always
nothing.
have
Yeah,
expectations, yeah.
I don't really. I don't have. I'm like clean every time. And it so helps me because sometimes what's happened here.
Mm,
It's doesn't have not. Look at the spy going down, Tesla's going up, Apple going up, Nvidia looks terrible, AMD zero, Oracle going down. Like there's no correlation between nothing. So if you
no,
come with
not
your
really.
mind, yeah, it's good. Like you're like a surfer. You move from chart to
Mm,
chart.
yeah, you need to.
You have
And
to have a resilient mindset. That's for sure
yeah,
for
yeah.
trading.
Zuri, yeah, it's maybe it makes sense for the market for today move finally.
I wish I could take the resilient mindset outside. Sometimes outside, I'm not acting like I'm in trading. So that mindset is really good.
I know.
Yeah, definitely, Buzak. I said 417. I took 417.40. Yeah, I was waiting for the 18. It's dropped down, took a partial. Yeah, the second one I want to take is around 420, but um, I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Patient, it's patient. Like the good Axel said, all you need is just a little patient.
Yeah.
Correct? Correct. So we need patience. We have the stop. We have 50 cents in the money or 40 cents. I'm fine. I'm just watching about Torb that I was instead of paying another 20 cents and be now $6 in the money, I was stupid. See, that's Torb is now 1460. Unbelievable.
Hmm. The market is quite volatile today. I'm in AVGO, by the way.
Guys, open. Open. Okay, I add more. That's the power. That's the power bar that I was waiting. That was what I was waiting. Okay, 895. We need more. We have some resistance around 876. Exactly. I told you I want to short today. I want to short it. And let's play. Okay. I'm lowering my stop like 10 cents, like for the half position in play.
Mhm. Let's see if we can break 360 with the AVGO. This is my only live trade, as you can see.
Ah, Yitzhak, you took the turb. Somebody here in the room was smart. What
Yeah,
price? What price? What price? Cause me to jealous you. What price? Share it. Okay, I want to see open. Open above 903. I'm gonna take the partial, the first partial. Tara, you wanna push over my you too, of course. And I asked you, Amir, if you were going to trade. Yeah, I wanted to trade, but I was cheap. You see, I didn't manage it correctly. What was your price? Let's see your price in Yitzhak. I'm happy, like I'm happy that you took it at least. Yeah,
Yeah, me too. Okay, AVGO looks great, guys. 359. It's my first partial there.
724. Okay, okay, Tara, hit me with a stick. Tara, hit me with a stick. Let's see, Yitzhak. What was Yitzhak price? You're aggressive trader, huh, Tara? Yeah, you're aggressive. It's good,
The
Here
very
in
good trader.
trading, yeah, she's aggressive, correct? She like to, yeah, she's not hesitate.
Yeah, she has an eyes for the entries, definitely. Okay, guys, here comes AVGO.
Guys, in
Beautiful.
play, if you put automatic orders, don't give me the 3 cents, because then it's gonna be ridiculous. This is not a stop limit a limit order that you put with 3 cents. Okay, look at the spreads in play. So
Market is making a reversal in the meantime, especially the SPY, indeed. Apple is still bull flagging. Wow. Play looking better and better, indeed. Has not done anything wrong yet.
lower high, everything according to the book, but let's say
Yeah,
which kind of book, Aggie?
yeah,
If it's the
yeah,
good
sure.
book or the bad book.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, play looking. Definitely it's a 40 cents for the ad. Not more than this. Oh my god. Aggie Turbo is 17.
Hmm. Wow.
Unbelievable.
Okay. SPY is breaking higher now, so looks like the bulls just woke up. Let's see.
Okay, guys, let's the play begin. Let's see what kind of game we have here. It's not yet playing. Which one is playing is the turb. Tara, are you still there? Tell me that you're still there. You didn't break the 9 EMA, so definitely you should be there. Beautiful. Maybe around 20, it's a round number. Hit something. Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. What's up, Amir? Anything happened?
I feel nausea, Aki. I feel
Pardon?
nausea. I feel sick. I'm
Oh,
watching it. I'm watching Turb. I'm watching Turb, and I start feeling bad. Really.
yeah, it
I'm
can
not.
hurt,
I'm.
isn't it?
I'm not enjoying my
Mm.
winners, and everything is winners. But I'm just watching it like a magic. Now
Yeah,
it's almost 20. So
you're just watching what you did miss, right?
of course I'm not watching what the beautiful in Tesla, money in play, money in open. No, 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 no. I'm focusing on the turb.
My
Yeah.
goodness.
Yeah, it's goodness, really. It's very goodness.
Okay, market slowly it's pulling back in the meantime. Cannot see anything else at the moment, which I would really, really like. Still suffering with this AVGO, leaving it a little bit more space there. The last shares, but triple Q on the VWAP. Oh, CRWV. It's starting to be really weak now. Play is so lazy today. Look at that.
Believe me, I'm watching my chart of play. The ridiculous thing is the chart of play is under the chart of turb. You see, that one's going amazing, and I'm not
My
there.
goodness.
That one going slowly like ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buzek, no, I have not taken my partial yet. I was too slow for that, so I'm still waiting, fortunately.
Buzak, where are you from? Never heard that name. Like,
Me
I don't
neither.
know where to. I don't know which part of the world you are. Buzak. I don't have any idea. Really. Tara can be everywhere. That's a name I heard can be from everywhere. Los
Los Angeles.
Angeles. Voila. Yeah.
I know
Okay.
about Tara.
Well, she's from Europe?
Yep.
Okay, I feel. Okay. Which
Really
part
close
of
to
Europe I
me.
don't know.
Really close
Close
to me
to
now.
you. Portugal?
Spain.
Oh, really? You're in Hollywood. You're a movie star, Buzak. You're in Spain. Okay. You're also next to the beach, Tara. Can go to the beach today, watch the sunset, think about Turb. That's beautiful.
Turb and Amir.
Yeah. I will go see from my house. I can see the sunset, and I will remember Turb. Still watching most stocks, but
Ah, Switzerland is not that bad either, Tara. It's beautiful.
yeah, I heard about. They're very strict, correct? The Swiss guys, no, really strict. I heard few things about. I can't say it here. Even for me, I have limits.
Really? Good to
Yeah,
know.
I have. I
A
have.
few
Good to
things.
know. Yeah,
A few
you
things
haven't
you
heard
know.
yet. Yeah. Talk with my daughter. She will tell you. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. She can tell you. It's very expensive to travel to Switzerland. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
Switzerland is expensive.
Yeah.
So
I think
Tara
to
needs
live
a lot
there
of
is
good treats,
expensive.
you see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, AVGO. Break the lows. Okay. So 1 hour went by. Market it's a bit weaker. I would say it's the weakest for months, if I can say something like that. Because actually, is it in red already? I guess so. Triple Q 0.03, SPY 0.13. Wow, red
Guys, I
day,
want to
guys.
buy half position in Oracle over 310. And I'm going to take a stop. It's going to be around 2 points. Half position. It's good volume coming right now. Um, Still don't have the big resolution, but yeah, I want to dip my feet there. Yeah, over 310. It already did, but I'm waiting the next. Usually in those kind of things, the second time I want to get there. So got 310. Got to 310.34. Back to the 9. I want to see the bid. Yeah. Mm,
Hmm.
Not yet. Sorry. I'm with my finger there. Again, this is again not a trade that you put 310.03, correct, guys? You give yourself at least like a 20 cents limit above. Yeah, now it looks really good on 2 minutes. I got a resolution which I don't like in this time of day. 1 minute, but I want to catch it, so this is why. Now, if it's going to break the 310, I'm going to take a full position, not half.
Hmm.
$2 stop.
Hmm. Overall market it's really slowing down, but pulling back at least a bit. Not too much. Okay. Plays out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just playing
The
around.
ads is out, but my first entry, I have stop above 50. Yeah, ridiculous.
Hmm. Fortunately. Okay. I'm still fighting with this AVGO. I think this is going to be my last trade because I need to run for a meeting now. But I really hope it's still pushing a bit lower here. Nice. Come on, AVGO. Go, go, go. What a slow market. Come on. Okay, guys, I think I'm just going to call it as a day. Hood is strong. Look at this hood, is still strong.
Good.
Uh-huh. It's really trying to push back to the highs.
Why not? They're doing a good businesses. So
Yeah, yeah, definitely they do. Okay. Spice back to the lows, but Triple Q just started to fight here. This 591.92 level. Look at Hood. You are crazy. Apple just touched the VWAP too. Might there will be some reversal opportunity I would watch. Okay. mRNA is strong today. Almost 3% higher, but oh no, I
what's the
stopped.
price? What's the price today of mRNA?
24.50 now.
Wow.
24.56.
Wow.
I know. It was like 180, 200.
Yeah. And there was the COVID.
Yeah, just pushed it up like crazy. Amazing. Okay, traders, if you have anything on the radar, please just let us know. Oracle is
Yeah.
in. It was Amir, you
Yeah,
saw
yeah, yeah,
Oracle,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All goal is in. We're waiting. So Buzak, you're finishing the day early, huh? 1 o'clock. If you'll stay for the second part of the day, we are free for today.
Hmm.
That's good. No, 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 John. I'm in rehab. I'm in rehab from pre-market with small cap. Remember I told you the last 2 weeks I start trading for 4 a.m. Again, here for me it's not 4 a.m. I'm starting in the afternoon, but still, it was too. Yeah, I was just it's appear on my scanner. That's it. It's appear on my scanner, and I didn't take it. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Market slowly starting or trying to pull back. So I'm thinking to drop my AVGO traders over 361.30. Okay.
I'm still in open. I took one partial 9. My stop right now still probably 920. Yeah, it's still low high, still holding the 9. Um,
Okay, let me just check this AVGO before I leave. So 360, under 361 was our entry. And yeah, on 361.30 I'm going to be out. Really hope the market is still going to give a big push to the downside. In this case, we will see this 369.30 for the partial again. If you have not partial yet on the AVGO, this is my last trade.
and Nitzan, of course, we started play 2050, and I had a stop for the half size. I had a stop for my add-in. Yeah, again, my stop for the beginning was smaller than for the ad. But definitely, each ad you have to relate to this as a different trade, of
Mm,
course. And definitely, you're not adding like if I got 2050, I'm not gonna triple it on the 20 under 20. I add the same amount, half and half. Um, it's let's say this: if I was in tube from 8, and there was an area for adding. Of course, I see it around 14 or something. It's pretty a little bit more. But when the distance is not so much, like in play, definitely you're not gonna do add more because then you're jeopardizing yourself. You're causing yourself huge trouble.
okay. Oh, come on, AVGO, last more push.
You don't put hard stop 308. Let's say you want to put a hard stop in Nvidia. Look at the spread; it's around 20 cents. You can put 307.80, something like this. Yeah, you never put it on the round on exactly the round number or whatever. Yeah.
Hmm. Hull is still bull flagging. Amazing. Oh, I don't like this AVGO, guys. I just think I'm going to take like a 70% partial here. I don't like it anymore. It's bouncing again. However, the SPY, look at that. The SPY looks like as a inverted cup and handle. Triple Q is not that strong either, but doesn't seem like AVGO wants to give
This,
up. So
the spy Agi looks like somebody that got stroke. That's what it
my
looks like,
goodness, come
really.
on.
And the guys watch, the doctor watched the chart and doesn't know what to say.
Mm,
Yeah, it looks terrible. Looks terrible, really.
I know. Actually, since
Everything. I'm not watching them.
920 is just moving sideways, like no decision at all. So that's why I think I'm
Guys,
going to.
Apple looks pretty good here. You mentioned it
Mm,
earlier,
my goodness, yeah.
239.75, 75 cent stop. That can be that can be really good or a quick out. It's depend on
Mm,
you. 239.75. Yeah, 75 cents.
okay, here we are. Come on, go back to 360.
Got out from the play. That's the first the first loss today. Hopefully Oracle will hold it. Because then, yeah, we had a few good trades. Now it's going, but again, when you're reducing, you don't get a full losses, and that's the key. Like in Tesla, get few points, and when you have those kind, like for example, the way I added, the way I did was play. I got 2050, then I added under 20. It did like maybe 15 cent, came back 2010. I reduced, and I got out 2055.
Okay. All right. I mean, I think I'm going to just call the day. I just put a small partial on the AVGO. Green day, not a huge green, but green, so nothing to complain. And look at that hood, it just broke. Can't believe this stock. It's just insane. Okay.
Good. Let me see. I saw
And
your
market is
roadblocks today. You
bouncing.
you never mentioned roadblocks even one time, Aggie. What's going on?
I was watching, but it was so slow. Now it's
It was so
starting
slow,
to
but
be
was a good
speed. Yeah,
was a good
short.
shot.
Yeah, I see now. Yeah, looks like the charm of Roblox, it's over for me. Okay, guys. Amir, thank you so much. I'm
You're
going to see you
welcome.
on
I'm gonna stay
Thursday.
here another 30 minutes and then see you
Sure.
on Thursday. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, traders, have a beautiful
Okay.
green day
You too.
and see you tomorrow. If you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please just drop me an email. I'm more than happy to help you in any questions. And if you're interested in our TEFS challenges and funded account packages, I strongly recommend you to visit our site. So thank you guys. Thank you, Tara, John, Nitsan, and see you tomorrow. Thank you, Amir. See you.
Bye bye,
Bye.
Aggie.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Aggie is not here. Now we can start. Aggie
I
is
hear
maintained.
you.
I know. I knew that you're still there.
I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. Okay, guys, bye.
We need to bring some spirit. The market is driving me nuts. So we need something, Aggie. Yeah, the guy's even sleeping today. So we need to do something. Okay, guys. If you see something, let me know. I'm going over the screener again. Hmm. Yeah, I miss him. Look, John, I was watching and I don't know today. Look at the view up. There was a really small 5 minute bar. Definitely, I was watching it when it corrects, and at that time I was watching something else. That was an amazing 51.90, 30 cent stop. Beautiful. Yeah, FGI did something on the pre-market. Look what happened on the pre-market. Um, from taking it's on the pre-market and the view up, it's that trigger is under, and I don't ever stop. It's not. Yeah, but I remember FGI. Only trade I'm in right now is open. No, my stop is still over the view up in open. Still holding the lows. I like it. Bye, John. Thank you. Watching hymns. Um, 50.35. Gonna give it like a 50 cents. Still watching the Oracle. Probably it's gonna be the same trigger, guys. 310. I'm gonna give it $2 stop. Hymns. Maybe we can buy it even under 50, 58. My email. That's my email. No, 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 no. Hymns, I want to short it. Right now, under 50, 55. Stop gonna be like a 50 cent stop. 50, 55. Yeah, we have 20 seconds to finish this candle, but 50.55. Oracle, guys, 310, $2 stop. Second chance. And I'm waiting for him. No, no, you can. Why not? People ask me questions. People ask about the mentoring, program. Totally fun. Yeah, I can't put songs here, with the restriction. Um, Still waiting for Oracle. Don't think it broke the 10 or not. Ah, no, it didn't break. You can see, guys. Do you see my email? Guys, you see my email that I posted, guys. Oh, you don't. Oh, OG, write your email. Really? Wow, weird. OG, write your email. Let's see if you are writing your email. We can see it. I can tell you the email is my last name, Barak. Barak, Arch, like Arch, Arch, at yahoo.com. Yeah, go to my channel on the YouTube, yeah. But again, Barak Arch, Arch at yahoo.com. Um, yeah, let's see if I'm posting my channel, if you can see it. And you can be subscribed, to my channel. And I didn't put the few things in the last few weeks, but usually there's a lot of stuff. Here it is, guys. Do you see my address for the channel that you can see? Guys, this is bullshit. Who took the hymns, guys? Immediately 50 cents. Immediately. Let's see if we can break the 50. That's, look at this in 2 and 5. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Who took the hymns, guys? HIMS. Good. Beautiful. 50 cents. Beautiful. And see open. You see how the 9 is working really good. You know, if it's gonna break it, it's gonna make it really nice. Still watching Oracle, guys. Over 10, $2 stop. You want me to go over something that you did today, guys? Some trade? You want to ask a question? I have another 10 minutes here, and we can use it. Yeah, yeah, it was not. It doesn't want to play it. It's already played. Yeah. Hymns looks amazing, guys. I'm wonder why only one guys took this, guys. Hymns. That's a classical formation. You know, big drop, correction to the VWAP, solid support. Stop is very entry, very risk reward is very. All of you supposed to be there. Jimmy wants to close the gap, daily gap. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know, but that's in a good area. Somebody took it. If it's swing, the close gap is 28.55, so another 2 points. That's a good formation to take a swing. 25 was a good area there. Yeah, I didn't see it because usually I'm doing swings. I didn't watch. I don't know. Wow, guys, we're getting to 70 cents in hymns. Beautiful. But I didn't see um, the bid there. You know, I said it the next time it's gonna do it. You can, if you click it, you see 301004, but basically the bid didn't go there, so I'm not there yet. I'm waiting. Still okay with me. You should wait for the bid. Yeah, but definitely with spready stocks, you should wait. And they do your tricks, you know, the makers sometimes bring you the ask about, get you in, and the bid is not there. So guys, hymns, beautiful. You have a stop. You should respect your stop. If you got by mistake, still get a stop. I'm watching now the FGI. I want to see if we can hold the 1050 area. Above 11 looks good. Him's looking good. Right now I'm raising my stop above the entry. So my stop is 50.55, 5 cents. If it's breaking above the 50, I'm going to take. Once I didn't take any partial, but I'm not going to give it go against me at least now. Guys, open. Who is still in open? Guys, who is still in open? Let's see if we can get a new low under 890. I told you. Area 875 next resistance. Okay, guys, we have a new low. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Who is still in open? Good. 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 Hints, guys. 80 cents. Okay, above 80, I'm going to take a partial. Okay? Took a partial right now. Okay. Stop 5 cents above the entry. Good. Let's do business. Open 875. Told you there is some resistance. If I'm going to see something there, I'm going to take a partial. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. Again, if you want to email me or whatever, good, Luis. Go to my channel, look for Amir Barak. You have my email there. Thank you very much. I'm gonna see you on Thursday. So I'm in open again, and I took a partial on the right time on hymns. Open around 78, 75. If not breaking, partial again. My stop right now in open above 920, something like this. Maybe 915. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.